Here's the app called Nexulo Pet Moment of Beauty. So let's just install it and see what that is. So a veritable magical box that elegantly collects and preserves the delightful moments with your pets. It goes beyond a mere recording tool. It's a sanctuary for memories. Imagine a space where you can document and store the diverse states of your pets, all thoughtfully showcased on a single visually stunning page. The beauty lies in its simplicity, a comprehensive snapshot of your pet's life in one glance. So here is the app. Let's just open it up. So then there are some annoying ads. I don't know whether you should actually give access to this. Yeah, so basically you can just kind of have photos of your pets and then just kind of have them here. So I don't completely understand like the point of it. But yeah, here's what it is. Then you can just upgrade. So I don't know if you like your pets, maybe you can just enjoy this. But anyhow, that's where you have it. So try it out.